This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony Latina. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this lovely 2-bed plus den, 2-bath villa. Placed in the gated Glenmoor Greens at Glen Eagle community, this must-see first-floor home has been extremely well-maintained and leaves room for endless possibilities. Just minutes from Naples award-winning white sand beaches and downtown and #X 2019, Fifth Avenue, this fabulous community also offers full upscale amenities like pool, tennis courts, clubhouse, fitness center, bocce ball, and access to the country club and golf from May to October. Enter inside the foyer with high tin ceilings and immediately admire the open main living area with seamless entertainment to the living room, breakfast nook, and kitchen. This open, galley-style kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, ample cabinetry, beautiful countertops, and room for bar seating. Across from the living room, French doors open up to the den, perfectly set for your at-home office. Both bedrooms, including the full master suite, feature plush carpeting and neutral interior. The master suite includes a large attached full bath with dual sinks, soaking tub, and walk-in shower. Other features include a covered lanai and attached one-car garage with additional parking for guests. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Latina at 239-659-4200.